Look at what we have here.
Yeah, that's par for the course.
Wow, it's an Otis. Never would have guessed.
Elementary. Dude, if you like asked AI to make an 80s Otis Series 1, we're standing in it right now.
Pretty much. Got a tip.
Come on, good motor, let's see. Ooh.
That's an 80 series one.
Oh yeah. Should have saw that coming. Oh, the lantern stayed on. I'm gonna let the door close this time and then I'll send it.
Yep.
Just to one, right?
We can take it to 2.
Okay.
Then back to 1.
Out for a wave.
It's going both ways.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, I hit one.
Oh well.
Whew. It even does it there too.